Hi, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. We're going to show you today what's in the box when you purchase an R30D, one of our really popular vacuum cleaners. So we're going to go ahead and just open it up here. One of the things I like about this is we've gone very green in our packaging. So a lot of the stuff in here, the majority of the stuff is recyclable, and you don't have a lot of styrofoam and things that are bad for the environment. So right on top here, we've got our owner's manual. The hose is right here. This is going to be inside the first little piece of cardboard, an aluminum telescoping wand, here we have our handle. So we'll go ahead and set the machine up here. So here's the vacuum cleaner, handle, hose, and owner's book. I'm gonna go ahead here. This red tape that you see is gonna have the one screw that you have to put on. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this screw out of here. So now that we have taken the screw out of the body, we're gonna go ahead and put the handle in and insert the screw again. Okay, now once you've done that, I kind of like to just tuck this out of the way here. We'll go ahead and put our hose in. So the nice thing about these is it's all easy to take off and put back on. If you ever have an obstruction or a reason to take the hose off, that just clips into there. So the wand is a button lock. We'll just go ahead and clip it on, loop it up here, mount it into place, and there you go. So now we have the machine assembled and ready to vacuum with your Tandem Air vacuum cleaner.